Hey everyone, welcome back to Drop Tech. Today, we're diving into all the latest news surrounding Samsung and the much anticipated One UI 7 beta. There's been a lot of buzz about this update, but so far, we've yet to see the beta officially drop. However, things are starting to move in the right direction, and it seems like Samsung is making significant progress. So, let's break down everything we know so far. Samsung has been the subject of countless predictions about when the One UI 7 beta will finally launch. Despite all the speculation, we're still waiting for it to happen. The company is continuing to work on One UI 7, and while the beta hasn't opened up just yet, there are signs of progress. Recently, the new Galaxy Z Flip 6 was spotted on Geekbench, running One UI 7, which is a pretty strong indication that we're getting closer. Now, it seems Samsung is being a bit more cautious this year with the release of the One UI 7 beta, which will be based on Android 15. The company appears to be focusing on ensuring stability and smooth performance before pushing the beta live, which might explain the delay. But don't worry, recent reports suggest they're actively advancing the development. According to some tips shared on X by Terran Vats, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 achieved a single-core score of 1227 and a multi-core score of 5781, making it the first foldable phone to be benchmarked with One UI 7. In addition to this, Samsung has also been updating its stock apps to support One UI 7. One notable update is the Galaxy Themes app, which has now been prepared to work with Android 15. The latest app version, 6.1.7, is already available on the Galaxy Store, and it's designed to ensure a seamless experience for users once they make the transition to One UI 7. Samsung clearly wants to make sure that all of its stock apps are fully compatible with the new interface so that users don't run into any issues when they upgrade. All of these updates are a clear sign that the release of the One UI 7 beta is on the horizon. Users will soon be able to explore the new features in the beta program, which is expected to begin in early October. And if everything goes smoothly, the stable version of One UI 7 should start rolling out by December. Samsung has a wide variety of devices lined up for this update, including tablets and budget phones. So if you're wondering if your device will be eligible, keep an eye out for the official list of supported devices and the release timeline. Alright, that's all for today's update on One UI 7. What are you most excited to see in this upcoming beta? The exciting features, and why you should be excited about this upgrade. So, what is One UI 7? It's Samsung's upcoming version of its user interface, which is built on the Android 15 platform. This update promises to bring a range of new features and improvements that will enhance the overall user experience, and make your Galaxy device even more powerful and intuitive. One of the standout areas getting significant improvements is the Smart Select feature. For those who aren't familiar, Smart Select allows users to easily capture, share, and interact with specific parts of their screen. It's a feature many Galaxy users rely on for multitasking and productivity, and with One UI 7, it's getting even better. Based on feedback from users, Samsung has worked on enhancing the selection area for Smart Select, making it quicker and more user-friendly. Imagine selecting part of your screen with even less effort than before. According to a Samsung community moderator, the company is also developing a flexible menu for Smart Select. This menu will automatically adjust based on what you've selected, adding even more convenience to this already handy feature. Samsung is facing some challenges with creating a fixed shortcut interface that would offer automatic options, like copying text or generating GIFs from images. But the good news is that they're actively working on solutions to make these features more intuitive. This means that once One UI 7 launches, using Smart Select will be even more seamless, giving you more options at your fingertips. Another exciting addition to One UI 7's Smart Select is the ability to automatically recommend areas for you to select. This feature will save you time on manual selections when you want to copy, share, or create GIFs. Imagine your phone suggesting the best area to select based on what's on your screen. How cool is that? This is all about efficiency and making your experience faster and more enjoyable. Samsung is still exploring new ways to enhance the user experience, so expect even more surprises when One UI 7 officially drops. Now, let's talk about visual design. There's been talk that Samsung is redesigning the icons for some of its most popular apps, including Camera, Gallery, and Internet. Recently, a new app icon for the Galaxy Store leaked online. The new design features a shopping bag with a dynamic handle, set against a circular background. It's a simple but modern look, adding a fresh feel to the app icons we interact with every day. This change is subtle, but it's all part of Samsung's plan to keep its software feeling fresh and contemporary. Samsung is still in the process of developing One UI 7, and the beta program hasn't launched yet. However, the company has announced that it will hold the Samsung Developer Conference 2024 on October 3rd. This is where we expect to get more details on One UI 7, and maybe even catch a glimpse of the new Galaxy Store icon in action. We don't have an official timeline for the One UI 7 beta yet, but keep an eye out for updates. We'll be covering everything you need to know right here on Drop Tech. So, there you have it. One UI 7 is shaping up to be a major update for Samsung users, with enhancements to Smart Select, new app icons, and much more. Let's kick things off with a sneak peek at the Galaxy S25 Ultra's new design. A mock-up has been revealed, and it's already creating buzz in the tech world. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra had that sharp, boxy design, the S25 Ultra is rumored to bring a change: slightly rounded corners. This subtle tweak gives the phone a sleeker look, while maintaining some of the design choices from last year's model, like the flat display that gave the S24 Ultra an angular frame. Samsung's definitely playing with the aesthetics here, ensuring that the S25 Ultra stands out from its predecessors. We're looking forward to seeing how this design change affects both the feel and functionality of the phone. Now, let's talk software. Samsung has confirmed that One UI 7 will be launching next year, alongside the Galaxy S25 series. This isn't just any software update, it's a big leap from One UI 6, with some exciting changes in the works. The mock-up of One UI 7 shows a revamped quick settings panel, giving us a glimpse of what to expect. Instead of the familiar interface, we're getting new squircle-shaped tiles for things like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. There's a 4x2 layout with 8 toggles, which can be expanded to 16, making the whole interface more customizable and functional. The volume control panel has also been repositioned, now placed next to the key screen settings, offering easier access. On top of that, Samsung is finally adding device control options and a dedicated Smart View button, something users have been asking for. All of these changes point towards a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. But that's not all. Samsung is going the extra mile to make sure the One UI 7 is packed with customization options. The display and volume settings panels will adjust dynamically, depending on what you're using at the moment. For instance, in the expanded view, the music player will be positioned right above the brightness control menu, giving the interface a more organized look and feel. In terms of design, Samsung has also confirmed that One UI 7 will feature redesigned icons and a revamped quick settings menu, along with a separate notification panel. This means not only a cleaner look but also more efficient controls right at your fingertips. Now, when can you get your hands on all these new features? Well, Samsung has announced that the Galaxy S25 series will likely launch in January next year, and One UI 7 is expected to hit the beta channel by the end of this year. After that, Samsung plans to roll out the One UI 7 update to the public once the new Galaxy S series officially drops early next year. So, we've got some exciting months ahead for all Samsung enthusiasts. Are you excited for the One UI 7 beta update? I know I can't wait to try out those new features and see how the Galaxy S25 Ultra feels in hand with its updated design. If you're as hyped as I am, drop a comment below and let me know what you're most looking forward to. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.